In this lab, we're going to learn how to set up a secure wireless network using an emulated version of a Cisco wireless access point. So we're going to click login, there's no username and password. And the first thing we're going to do is do some basic admin configs. So we're going to go to our management and our access. Well, first thing we're going to do is make sure we're only able to access this GUI via HTTPS. That way someone can't sniff our password if they were scanning our network when we logged in, and they can't see all config changes. So HTTPS access only. Next, we're going to create a new admin account. You can see we already have quite a few already, so this has already been done for us, but we're going to the process of making a new one. So we're going to click add new user. We're going to name it new admin. We're going to give it lobby administrator so you can do any changes we want to. We're going to give it a password. And since, as far as we know, this is the only way we're authenticating, we're going to make sure our password expires every 30 days, so that way if it got compromised, hopefully it had already expired by then. So we want to click update to add this new admin account. And now we're ready to do actual config changes since we've done our base administrative changes. We're going to add a few wireless LANs today. So to do that, we're going to go to our wireless settings and go to our wireless LANs. You can see we have quite a few made already, but we're going to make a few more. So we're going to hit add new wireless LAN. We're going to name this first one. We're going to call it Business Center. I'm going to cheat and copy and paste. And we're going to allow this to be on all frequencies. And we're going to broadcast this so people can connect to it. Go to our wireless LAN security. We're going to set this up for WPA2 or WPA3 personal. And we're going to set to only WPA3. And we'll give it a password. For this wireless LAN, think as if we're setting up a business conference center and we'll give people the password, they connect to it, all that good stuff. We're not going to set password to expire because we'll have more control of this wireless LAN. It's not needed. Alrighty, with that, we'll hit apply. And we have our new wireless LAN for our business center with a pre-share key with WPA3. Now we're going to add a new one. This one might be for employees, so we'll name it employees. We'll go ahead and broadcast it as well and enable it. However, for this one, since it's going to be on employees, hopefully we'll have a list of the username and password and some sort of directory service. And if you remember from our previous labs, to kind of sync all that together, we can do Radius. So we're going to do WPA2 Enterprise, and we're going to sync it to a Radius server. So that way we can grab all of our authentication through Radius. We won't have to type everyone's username and password on all our access points. For that, we're going to go ahead and click apply. And now you can see we have our two new wireless LANs. And this concludes how to set up secure wireless access points.